Hello, this is one of those memorable quotes which I truly appreciated in the movie. While there is original source for this quote, let's not get into it. The point is that we get immense power from technology and we must use it responsibly and ethically. What does it mean? Let's understand in detail. Ethics is about moral principles and values. It's about right and wrong, good and bad, in specific context. It's about the obligations that individuals and societies have towards each other. With the rise of AI applications like ChatGPT, we must understand our responsibilities and practice ethically. First, I'm giving a bird's eye view about the ethical topics, and then we move on to expand each of the options. We shall understand the meaning of ethics in the context of an educational institution. We shall learn how the ethical standards map into responsible behavior. First, plagiarism. Plagiarism is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as one's own. While ChatGPT is delivering content from all over the internet data, there is a chance that you may be using someone else's content and hard work. So we should thoroughly review the data before using it. Next, data privacy. Do you see any personal data is being exposed via your search? Since the ChatGPT would search for entire data in the universe, including the social media, there is a chance that someone's personal and private information is displayed in the search. I'm sure none of us would like our personal data being used by someone else. So it's a collective responsibility for all of us to protect privacy. The institution should put this in the framework of operating procedure for ChatGPT. Job impact. This is one of the most sensitive topics. All of us are talking about the negative impact like job loss. It may be true that some jobs may be impacted, some may be replaced, and some of them may be augmented with additional responsibilities. As individuals or as an organization, we must act responsibly in such a topic. We should evaluate the impacted roles and find ways to redeploy those employees, retrain the workforce, and reassure them of their safety and well being. This is going to be the most challenging one to take note of and act responsibly. The result you would obtain from ChatGPT may be biased because the training data at source may be biased. For example, ChatGPT may answer by favoring only an intelligent lot of students in the class, or the answers may be from the perspective of the boys group in the class. So, as a teacher, you should be diligent enough to closely review the content before using it in your teaching. Here we talk about inclusivity. Adopting ChatGPT by the teachers and by the students may vary. Someone may not like to use it. Here, the institution must think of a framework that includes all viewpoints and approaches. I feel this is the most daunting task not only for the schools, colleges, but also for teachers, parents, and students. Is there a golden standard or framework? No, there is not. Some talk about banning ChatGPT in schools, while others believe it's a way of life now, and we have to adjust to it. So, a governing framework can put required rules, guidelines, and best practices to use it ethically and responsibly. So, the takeaway is to act responsibly and ethically. Thank you.